In this class, we're going to continue with Python's if conditions, and we're going to introduce a nested if. So let's create a new file called nested if.py. And in this exercise, I have this code example here, and I have this customer, which is enterprise. And the customer is with me for 6 years, and the annual spend is about 150,000. And here I have a conditions which is a nested if. You see, I have if functions within another if function, right? So this is the classic nested if functionalities. So I think most people who are very sophisticated in Excel have experience in building some of those nested if functions. And then within the nested if, I have another nested if. So this is basically saying if I have an enterprise customer with 5 years, working with me, and if their annual spend is greater than $100,000, I can give them a discount of 15%. Otherwise, if it's with me for 5 years and it's an enterprise, I will give a 10% discount. So if it's an enterprise, but it's less than 5 years, this is saying they will only have 5% discount. If it's not an enterprise, then they will only get 2% discount. So let's run the program and see whether I said it's correct. And because this is the enterprise, have the 6 years active with me, and so this enterprise is getting 15% discount, just like we expected. So this is how a nested if statement can be written.